Imagine a high-security office building with several departments: sales, finance, IT, and HR. In this building, each department needs controlled access to its resources, while still communicating with others when needed. Think of VLANs as the virtual floors of this building, isolating departments for security and efficiency, yet allowing essential interactions through well-defined pathways. In the CCIE lab, VLANs aren't just simple configurations, they're critical to your network structure, security, and traffic flow. You'll be expected not only to configure VLANs, but to manage, troubleshoot, and even break them down to simulate real-world issues. Let's walk through VLAN management essentials with the goal of preparing you for lab success. Let's start with the basics: creating and naming VLANs. In the lab, clarity is your best friend. Use descriptive VLAN IDs and names. Think VLAN 10 for sales rather than just VLAN 10. Cisco iOS makes it easy with commands like VLAN 10 followed by name sales. Remember, a clear naming convention in your configuration minimizes error and simplifies troubleshooting. Now, imagine an elevator connecting each department, or VLAN, in the building. In VLAN management, this elevator is the trunk port, allowing data from multiple VLANs to travel across a single link. Trunk ports allow VLAN-tagged frames to move efficiently across the network backbone, using protocols like 802.1q to tag and identify each frame. In the lab, you'll need to establish trunk links, usually with commands like switchport mode trunk and switchport trunk allowed VLAN 10, 20, 30. Be sure you know how to verify these with show interfaces trunk, as misconfigurations can mean VLAN traffic won't reach its destination. Picture this: the elevator suddenly stops working, blocking interdepartmental access. In the network world, this can happen due to VLAN mismatches or allowed VLAN issues on trunk ports. When troubleshooting, start with Show VLAN and Show Interfaces Trunk to check which VLANs are active and permitted across your trunks. One critical lab tip: always ensure that native VLANs match on both ends of the trunk to prevent unexpected issues, as mismatched native VLANs can lead to VLAN leaks, where untagged traffic is misdirected. Security is essential. Imagine an unauthorized visitor gaining access to the building. In the network, this could happen with an unprotected VLAN. For the lab, familiarize yourself with best practices like shutting down unused ports, shutdown command, and setting access ports with switchport mode access to prevent unauthorized VLAN access. The key to mastering VLAN management in the CCIE lab is practice. Simulate these configurations, troubleshoot them, and always verify your setup with show commands. Treat your VLAN configurations like the blueprint of a high-security building, where every department, elevator, and access point needs precision to ensure security and efficiency.